Hi everyone and welcome back to Slicky Technologies. So today I am going to teach you how you can easily download, install and configure Kodi software on your laptop or desktop computers. So the process or the steps I will do in this video is quite straightforward. All you have to do is to have your computer, laptop or desktop computer, and then internet connection, and then pay attention to the steps I'm gonna do in this video, and you will have Kodi software installed on your computer or desktop devices. So first of all, open your computer, desktop or laptop, and then launch your browser. Once you launch your browser, head on to the URL section and then type kodi.tv and then enter, and then on the new window that will come out, scroll down to download, scroll up to download. As you can see from the screen, click on it, and then on the new window that will come out, just scroll down. You will see a section that says select your platform. So you will see Windows, Linux, Android, Raspberry Pi, Mac OS, iOS, tvOS. So since we are going to download this onto our Windows device, so click on Windows, and then at this section you look at your screen, you will see version 19.3 matrix. You see the installer 16-bit, 32-bit. So this depends on the capacity of your computer. If your computer is using 64-bit, just click on the 64-bit. If you are using 32, just click on 32. However, my laptop is using 64, so I'm gonna click on 64. So click on it, and then next thing is the download window. As you can see, it's downloading from here. So after downloading, I will install. After the installation, then I will customize and also configure the software of my Windows devices. So it is installing, it is downloading. So yeah, the software is already downloaded onto my Windows device. So I'm gonna open it. Yeah. So yes, I will install. I will click on yes. Yes. Agree, yes. Yes. So I'm installing the software now onto my Windows device. So after installing, I will launch the software, the Kodi software, and then after launching it on my computer, then I will now proceed to set it up. So as you can see, it's already installing. So the process of installing is already completed. I will click run Kodi and then finish. That's it. So if I click finish now, I'm already done with installing Kodi onto my computer, my laptop computer. So I will launch it. So this is the installed Kodi software on my laptop computer. So to configure it, I have to scroll down to, first of all, enable the unknown sources so that I can be able to install third-party apps on it. So to enable the unknown sources of this software, first of all, I have to click on Settings, and then scroll down to Systems, and then navigate to Add-ons. Click on it, and then Unknown Sources. Yeah, once you click on the unknown sources, you will see a dialog box that says add-ons will be given access to personal data stored on this device by allowing you agree that you are solely responsible for any loss of data, unwanted behavior, or damage to your device. So in this case, just click yes, because if you click no, you won't be able to download or install third-party stuff on your Windows device into this software. So click yes, and that's it. We have now allowed unknown sources. We have allowed installing apps from unknown sources. Now, to check if there is any update for Kodi software, just scroll up from the add-on section, as you can see from the screen. Scroll up and then click on it. Now, it will give you options to choose: notify but don't install updates, never check for updates, and then install updates automatically. So it's up to you. If you want to be getting periodic notifications about updates, you can choose this. But if you want the software to update itself automatically, just click on update automatically or install automatically. Just click on it, and that's just it. Now, another section you will find interesting is here. Sometimes you will not be getting notifications on your computer if you do not enable this notification. So it's advisable to enable this on your Kodi that you will install on your laptop or desktop computers, and this will be giving you, you'll be receiving notifications on what is happening on the software, if there is any update, or if the third-party apps you install needs to be updated and all that. So I will enable it so I can be able to receive notifications or what is happening on the software. Now I'll have to go back again. Now I will scroll down. I'll click on weather. Now from here I can configure the weather settings of this software. But before I do that, I can change I will click on the general. I can change the name of this device on my computer. I can change it to something else, maybe in a new software I want. But I'm not gonna change it. I just leave it there. So if you want to change yours, you can change it. You can just change yours here. So scrolling down, you will find announce services to other systems. You can just click on it. This allows you to link your maybe Netflix and other apps or other platform you are using. You can be able, you are using on, you can install or use on this. The reason why it's failed, if you look at my screen, it says failed to start Xeron Curve. So the reason why this failed to install is because I have not installed any third-party apps yet on this software yet. So I can be able to do this when I install third-party apps or add-ons or build. So meanwhile, that's not the aim of this video right now. So the aim of this video is to tell you how you can install this software on your computer or your desktop computer, and also go ahead to configure it to suit your streaming experience. So going down from this general settings, you go down to control. Now this is very important. You will see on the settings menu, you will see allow remote control via HTTP. Then you going down, you will see the port, and then you require authentication, username, password, web interface. Yeah. So this is basically because this is basically for browsing, because Kodi allows you to access internet. So however, before you can be able to configure this section properly, you must have installed third-party browser add-ons. So but that's not the aim of this video. Like I said, we are only configuring. So if you install this on your device and you install a third-party browser, to configure it properly, you can just go to settings and then control. From here you can set up the proxy, the HTTP, the port, you can set require authentication, password, and username. But however, that's not the aim of this video right now. So maybe in next video I will do I will do a video on how you can install a third-party browser add-on and also configure it. So going down, we go to UP and P and then DLNA. Here we can easily enable this, but that's not the aim of this. So we skip it, and then going down we also skip it, and then going to weather, we click on it, and then here we can set up the weather information we want. So to do so, I will click on get more, and then I will choose the platform that I will be getting details of weather here. As you can see from the screen, you will see this Mio, multi weather, NOAA weather. So I'm gonna choose this one, and as you can see, it's installing the data so that I can be able to have the weather forecast wizard on this software. So while waiting for it to download, we are waiting for it to download. After downloading and installing, we can be able to set up the weather weather widget of this software. So as you can see, it's already installed. So I can now click on settings. So the weather I'll be seeing in this software right now will be the weather of my current location. However, I can easily change it or add more locations if I want, but that's not what I'm doing right now. So I can also configure this weather from this section, advanced. You can see language, user interface language, weekend, time zone, pressure, precipitation, blah 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 blah. So from here I can set up or configure my weather setup. So if you install this on your computer, you can just do that using this, following the steps on this video, and then location or advanced, just set up, put your location, the time, the day, the time zone, the language you want, the pressure, all these things. You just set it up in this section. So going back, as you can see from my screen, it's already showing my location, my weather location and all that. So going back, I'll click on radio. So to use this feature of this software, I have to install a back-end software called PVR, and this allows me to stream live radio stations, but that would be for another day. So for games, I can, if you want to play a game with your Kodi app, Kodi software on your computer, just click on the games, and then when it brings out the gaming menu, click on game and all that. So because there's no already installed game add-ons, so I can't be able to play any game right now with this software on my computer. So I'll click on TV. Also, to stream live TVs, I need to install this PVR, or I can visit this kodi.wiki/view to learn more about how to use the TV section of this. So that's how to manually configure your Kodi on your Windows devices such as laptop or desktop. So follow the steps on this video, and then you will have this software installed in your computer, at the same time configured. One thing I want to mention is my code, the code I installed right now is still empty. So for you to be able to use this software to access any content, you have to install a third-party software called add-ons or build. So, but check my other videos on how to on the current or trending Kodi builds, and also visit my website slickytech.com, and then you will find tons of Kodi add-ons and builds I already did. I already have articles on them. So check it out and let me know which of the Kodi builds or add-ons you find interesting or you love the most. So that's the end of this video. Drop a comment if you have any clarification or any apps or add-ons you want me to review. Drop it on the comment section, and then please don't forget to like this video. And then if you are new to this channel for the first time, please do me a favor by subscribing and then giving me a thumbs up. Thank you, and stick around. See you in the next video. Thank you.